Luke, definitely there's a lot of commonality there across commercial and government in terms of the lessons learned. I would say, one that really we see everywhere is success is accomplished in the cloud by driving cloud adoption and migration from the top down, but also from the bottom up. And it's fine to have a vision and a grand plan for how to get to the cloud, but there also needs to be kind of ground truthing based on engineering understanding of the interdependencies between these applications and the data and the networks, and how to, what's the best approach to kind of, extracting and moving those over to the cloud. Another one is that lift and shift will only take you so far. I think there's still kind of a prevailing notion that the cloud is some, and I think it might have been Jeff mentioned it earlier, some utopian place where applications go to live happily ever after. And that's really not what the cloud is all about. That's like a starting point. Cloud is really about innovation and modernization to take advantage of efficiency and agility to drive the mission forward. And that takes me to APIs. APIs are the key to breaking down the monolithic legacy applications, and a key part of the modernization strategy, getting past this phase one lift and shift, is to leverage APIs to abstract the legacy, expose them their services in small pieces, and enable a gradual incremental migration of these monolithic legacy applications. And then in politics, we have this saying that it's about the economy, stupid. Well, with the cloud, it's about the culture, stupid. And the culture is by far the largest stumbling block. And the lessons learned are around the appropriate and most effective means for getting the culture to buy in and accept and begin to support the cloud is a key part of our IT and mission enabling strategies. And then finally, take the long view over the short view. It's real easy, again, to focus on lifting and shifting, componentized and separate applications to the cloud. But the portfolio view around looking at portfolio efficiencies, portfolio rationalization in concert with this next wave enabled by APIs and abstraction is really going to enable government agencies, just like commercial entities, to drive the agenda forward with cloud.
Really.